Hey, I can't believe it. It's 2016, and I think I'm ready for it. I'm not sure. I could be mistaken, but I think I am. I think one of the hardest things for me has been to realize that 2015 is over, mostly in part because of Women's Life Fellowship Seminary Light last year. I mean, so much thought, work, and preparation and prayers went into that, and I honestly cannot believe it's over. I remember sitting in this very spot and talking about it and being so excited about it. And I would definitely say that Women's Life had a successful year last year because I saw women grow. I saw women grow spiritually. I saw you grow spiritually. And to be part of that, to be part of your lives in that specific area of your spiritual growth is a gift from the Lord for me to be able to be a part of that. So just congratulations to all of you that finished the year well. Okay, I'm going to talk. I don't want to talk too much. Okay, here's 2016. The Holy Spirit. I felt very, very strongly led to go in this area. So I also believe because the Lord leads in this area, He wants to do something in this area. Mostly because Jesus Christ, when He left, said, I'm going to leave the Holy Spirit with you. And it's going to be a presence of me that's even more powerful than having me in the flesh right beside you. And I'll just be honest, I don't get that. But if He said it, it's true. And so I want to know all that I can about this dynamic, powerful being, Spirit of God that lives inside of me. And I want that for you too, because I truly believe it can affect our community in just a positive spiritual way if those of us that go through this next year really get a grip on what the Holy Spirit can do in us and through us. Okay, so just some thoughts about starting the new year. I hope you have a plan. If you don't have a plan, let Women's Life kind of plan that out for you with a whole year of Bible studies. That can be your focus. But if not, I've got some other ideas that in the next blog I'm going to tell you about, like Bible journaling, just how I've set up. I've got really organized for this year. And I know it's not for everybody, but there may be a couple of you out there that it works for you. So I'm excited about this next year. Invite your girlfriends, invite your family members. We're going to kick off the year with a Beth Moore study called Breath. A word that means Holy Spirit, and it's going to be mostly a teaching video, little bit of homework, but a lot of teaching for us that we can really get a grip on what this Holy Spirit really is and means and could do in our life. So I'm very excited. What else do I want to say to you? I just want to say Happy New Year. Listen, 2015 successes and defeats are behind us. It's time for a new year. And I believe this, God is going to do great and mighty things that we can't even imagine. If we just yield and submit and give our lives to Him this year, fresh, clean slate. God, do what you want to do with me, in me, and through me. And I pray that for you. I do. My heart is just, Father, just send us the women that you want us to minister to this year. I'm excited. I love you girls, and I just can't wait to do 2016 with you. Happy New Year. See you on the 11th.